Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend Twitter X account without appeal. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to our browser, and then what we need to do is go to the search bar, and then we simply want to search for Twitter help. Once we search for this, select the Twitter help center at the top of this page, and then now what we need to do is we simply need to go ahead and search for locked account. Now you need to scroll down and then select appeal or locked or suspended account. From here you will now be on this page, and then you want to select logout. Once we click on logout, you will then be redirected over to here, and then what you now need to do is enter in your phone, email, or username associated with your account, enter in your password, and then click on return. And then from here, you will now have to click on yes, reactivate. Once we select yes, reactivate, as you can see, your account has been reactivated. It will then log you back into your account. And then as you can see, you can use Twitter as you would usually. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.